Good afternoon. It is September the 7th, 2016. Time to wrap up another day of trading. 10 points today. Very, very slow at first on the E-mini. We've come to expect that. The trade on the E-mini is to buy or sell the opening, then hang around for an hour or two. And that's produced the biggest trade. But right here, we took this trade in the room. If you traded it perfectly, +2. Triple top. Plus, this buy right here would have been a loser. S plus. This S right here. Waded through both of those or retest failure. In the end, you made a little. Counter trend trade, counter trend trade. All of those made some money. So, again, just looking at the trades, this trade would have been a scratch right here. You have two scratches. A loser potentially right here, but you did not stop out on that one. That was basically a scratch. So one or two scratches, and it did put some money in the account the old-fashioned way. Slow, right? You got to earn your money, and it takes a lot of time to do that. Tomorrow we have news, jobless claims, quarterly services, natural gas inventories, and crude inventories. And Rich Genders is on at noon Eastern. For a kickoff for the year for trading crude and gold. The methodology is the same on both, and I don't know which one will cover. Probably crude. Okay, higher low, higher high on the I think we're just stuck in a trading ring. We also, the biggest piece of news tomorrow is going to be the European Central Bank, and everybody's hoping that they're going to add to their QE or at least extend it past March of 17, which I think they're going to do. The question is, are they going to do it tomorrow or later? So F1 says you can be a buyer of the E-mini. See if it goes. See if they'll take it up. Very, very square distribution volume-wise, TPOs or time-wise, letter-wise. It's leaning B still, but when you come in and you take a look at it, pretty square. That also implies trading range tomorrow. So, if they can't take out and hold 85, 87, get short and see how far it'll take you. Okay, looking at, like I said on the news, jobless claims 265. Quarterly services last reported at plus 1.3%. Don't know what it'll be tomorrow. Natural gas inventories and crude inventories, I don't know what they are. So we're selling 85s, 87s, sell one. 89.91, sell two. This certainly qualifies as a dull market. Never sell a dull market. Trades have to happen quickly. Last rotate down stopped at 80, so 81.79, buy one, buy two, 75.77 where we've been. And we'll see if that plays tomorrow. Looking at the 10-year, higher low, higher high for sure. Find a place to buy it. We're not going to see that in the F2 screen. As far as the profile goes on a double distribution, last thing that we dealt was a B. So put it all together, it is definitely a P, and as long as we stay above 3104, 3108, this market can trade higher. Right here structurally, your sell is at 22. Leaning against the gap will be closed, and I think they are going to close the gap. So, based on a close at 12.5, 15 to 19, sell one. 23, we'll make it 22, 26, sell two. On the buy side, we have a B here, maybe a little bit lower, 5 to 9. And then 29 to 01 for buy two. But we could have the biggest reaction could come early tomorrow before the market opens, when the ECB announces their rate. Then Draghi picks up the mic at 8:30 Eastern, which has moved the euro 1 to 3 points. Lots of opportunity in that kind of volatility, but the danger is when he picks up the mic, there's usually a whipsaw. It'll take it up, then take it down, or take it down, then take it up as he comes back with mitigating or modifying statement. These guys know how to play the market, and they do. Okay, basically the buck to 04, number 1, 7 to 11, sell 1, 15 to 19, sell 2. I think we're in a trading range. We've already closed the gap over here. On the buy side, 20 to 24 is the first band of support, so 13 to 17 buy 1, 1 to 5 buy 2. If the EU adds to their quantitative easing, even extending it past March of 17, which everybody knows that they have to do, that would be bullish for stocks, and that might impact treasuries. Looking at gold, higher low, higher high. That high came in the overnight session. Globex. 2 distributions, but we're holding. So I like our 45, 47. If the EU does increase their quantitative easing, gold should rally. Then 40 to 42 for buy 2. If the EU doesn't increase it, it could sell a little bit, but I don't think it's going to break. 55, 57, sell 1. 60 to 62, sell 2.